defrost timer installation January 10, 2026 here in Domino's Chiller Corridor near the Oven, Prima International Gourmet and Dix. Long time ago, 14 years this company, but there is no proper defrosting here. That's why they are only crying about the temperature. And now I hope this one will be good in reading of temperature. Since when I arrive here, or since when I joining here, there's so many issue of this unit. Too much mud in filter core, maybe 10 years not replaced, and so many leaks also in the fittings of the compressor. No, not totally tighten the bolt on the compressor. This is the big issue here. For almost 2 months and a half me here, almost major issue done. Only monitoring now about the minor issue. I hope no more major issue here during this time that I am here. So I monitor this one because need to monitor after installation of defrost timer. For 45 minutes I want to assure that the temperature not going high for 45 minutes defrost. So dito na lang tayo, kabayan. I make this video for katibayan. Because there is so many politics here. Hindi ito magawa ng maayos ang mga unit nila dito kung wala ako. Yan lang po. Wala silang hiya kung gagawin nilang politiko ang papanarbaho. Hindi nila alam na wala sa ayos at wala sa sequence ang kanilang mga cold room dito. Kala nila madali lang ang cold room, lalo na kung blast freezer. Sensitive po ito. Kung hindi ka expert nito, hindi mo talaga mapaayos at mapaganda ang temperature within 24/7. No? Sa loob ng 24/7, 24 hours and 7 days. So lalo na rampant ang pagbukas ng pinto dito, walang control, walang QC. Yahoo!